Hi, so if you're looking for the best and effective lightening oils and serums to use on your body for a glowing skin, then do keep on watching this video. Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the best lightening oils and serums that are very safe for the body. Today's video is going to be short and precise, and I'm just going to be listing some of the lightening oils I use in my creams, and sometimes I just rub them on my body. And the good thing about all these oils and serum is that you can just buy them and rub them on your body, or you can add a little to your lotion. So I'm so sorry for the background noise. There is so much heat in Nigeria today, so I just have to put on the fan. Not come and go and die. So later, for the ado, let's just get right into the main topic of. I will just be listing 5 different lightening oils. Trust me, these oils are safe. I really want to just appreciate those that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, guys. You don't know how much it means to me. My videos have been making big waves, and it's all thanks to you guys. Please subscribe to this channel. Just hit the subscribe button below this video. It's totally free. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. First oil I'm going to be talking about, God, this oil. I'm not exaggerating. This oil is wonderful. It is the beauty series oil, guys. Trust me, this oil is in most of the organic skincare glowing oil. It is the major ingredient of most glowing oils. It is wonderful. Like, this oil is just super lightening. I'm not saying magic. I'm not talking about magic here. I'm talking about oils that are safe. This oil is very safe for the skin. The beauty series oil goes for just 3,500 naira in most Nigerian stores. Within 3 to 5 days, you start to see effects of this oil on your skin, and it also helps with dark knuckles. So if you have dark knuckles, most of us, black knuckles is one of it's the commonest skincare issue. Most people just want to get rid of their dark knuckles. Trust me, with this oil, if used consistently, it's going to give you a very, very sweet result. So let's not just keep talking. Let's go to the second oil. For me, the second lightening serum that I personally love is the Magiccan Oil. Oh my god, have you ever heard of the Bright and Glow oil? Okay, most of my clients that have bought Bright and Glow oil can testify. This oil is safe. It doesn't whiten the skin, but it blends the skin. Like, it gives this uniform look. It glows the skin. I don't want to exaggerate, but this oil is superb. The Magiccan Oil goes for a range of 2,500 naira to 3,500 naira, and it is a very, very good oil. It's a 30ml oil. It comes in a 30ml bottle, but trust me, it is worth every penny. It helps with hyperpigmentation and breakouts. Guys, if you're looking for the best oil to get, do make sure to get Magiccan Oil. So the third oil for me is the Style Clear oil. And if you check, there are a lot of good reviews on the Style Clear oil. There are many videos that talk about the Style Clear oil. Trust me, the Style Clear oil is another very effective lightening or whitening serum to use on the body, and it goes for about 3,000 naira in Nigeria. The good thing about most of this oil that I've mentioned is that they can be pro-mixed with creams or with soaps. Yes, we use some of these oils, serum, in soaps, in body wash, and the Clear oil. Check most pro-mixed creams. Style Clear oil is always almost used. It is one very good oil for tough skin. Like, if you have really tough skin or really dark knuckles or dark feet, you definitely need to spend your 3,000 naira getting this oil. The fourth oil I'm going to be talking about is the Rescue oil. I like the name sound, Rescue. It rescues your skin. When a particular oil just lightens your skin, fades stretch marks, isn't it wonderful what a 2,000 naira worth of products can do to your skin? Yes, it just goes for 2,000 naira in Nigeria, so it is very, very affordable. The Rescue oil is very good. It helps with stretch marks, it lightens the skin, it uniforms the skin, it helps with hyperpigmentation. The good thing about it is it's very good for dry and sensitive skin. So if your skin is dry, it's very good for you. If your skin is sensitive, it is very, very good for you. So the last lightening oil I'm going to be talking about now is the Nature's Secret Oil. I intentionally made this oil the last because I really want to talk about this oil. I am a living example of the goodness of this oil. Trust me, I'm not going to lead you astray. This oil is very good. Nature's Secret with pure argan oil is very good for anti-aging. So it not only lightens your skin, it makes you look younger than your actual age. Imagine being 50 and looking 60. Trust me on this, you need to get Nature's Secret argan oil. It is very good. It uniforms the skin, it blends the skin well. It also helps to repair the skin. It's also one of the major ingredients in glowing oils also. Now that we've talked about this oil, I just want to say a few things. Like I'd always say on my channel, you have to be consistent. Firstly, you don't expect anything to work like magic. And secondly is you have to exfoliate your skin. If you are buying expensive products, if you're buying skincare products and you expect them to work like miracle without exfoliating, bet you're just wasting your time. You need to exfoliate your skin, you need to be consistent, and also you need to get yourself a good sunscreen or sunblock. The reason is most of these things are safe, but it depends on how you use them and how you expose yourself to sunlight. And when you expose yourself to sunlight, there can be minimal skin reaction. So you need to get yourself a good sunblock and a good sunscreen lotion. Another thing is thank you guys. So there was a video I posted some few weeks back, how to make the lightning black soap. Okay, so the turnout from that particular recipe has been good. I've had like a lot of DMs. I've had like a lot of people talk about the recipe and what it has done for them, and I just want to really say thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for liking, thank you guys for sharing that video, and I also want to thank you guys that have subscribed and has brought us so far. You know, you can actually go back and look at our previous videos and you will see that the growth is real and we're still working to make things much more better. So we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for staying through and watching to the end. If you haven't still subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Just click that red subscription button below this video. It's totally free, like I've said. Do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notification bell below this video and like this video, share this video to your friends. Also do leave a positive feedback if you get any of these oils and you see effective changes to your skin. See you all in my next video. Bye.